Ready to bring your creative ideas to life with beautiful custom embroidery? Best Embroidery Machines for beginners and home business can help you create personalized gifts, clothing, and profitable projects with ease. Here are the top machines worth considering today. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started.
Number 1. PooLin EOC06 Embroidery Machine. The PooLin EOC06 embroidery machine is an excellent choice for users who want a larger embroidery workspace and more creative freedom. Its standout feature is the generous embroidery area that supports multiple hoop sizes, including a large 7.9-inch by 11-inch hoop, making it suitable for decorating t-shirts, hoodies, towels, bags, pillowcases, and other fabric projects. The machine is designed to simplify embroidery with the InStitch i3 operating system, allowing users to select, edit, and combine designs directly from the touchscreen. The large 7-inch color display provides a clear view of designs and makes adjustments easy before stitching begins. Users can create custom patterns using embroidery digitizing software and transfer files through Wi-Fi or USB, offering flexibility for both hobbyists and growing embroidery businesses. The included software support and access to instructional resources help shorten the learning curve. Whether creating personalized gifts or expanding a small embroidery operation, the EOC06 delivers a practical combination of workspace, technology, and user-friendly controls that can support a wide variety of embroidery projects. Number 2. PooLin EOC03 Embroidery Machine. The PooLin EOC03 embroidery machine is designed with beginners in mind, making it a strong option for anyone starting their embroidery journey. Its easy-to-understand InStitch operating system helps users learn quickly without feeling overwhelmed by complicated settings. The machine includes two embroidery sizes, 4-inch by 4-inch and 4-inch by 9.25 inches, offering flexibility for personalizing t-shirts, tote bags, towels, baby items, and gifts. One of its most appealing features is the collection of 130 built-in embroidery designs and 8 fonts, allowing users to begin creating customized projects immediately. The included embroidery software provides additional creative possibilities by enabling users to design their own patterns and transfer them wirelessly through Wi-Fi. A starter kit is also included, helping users begin stitching without purchasing extra essentials. The machine balances simplicity and functionality, making it suitable for home crafters who want dependable performance while learning embroidery techniques. For those seeking an accessible and creative embroidery machine, the EOC03 offers an enjoyable and straightforward experience.
Number 3. Brother SE700 Embroidery Machine. The Brother SE700 embroidery machine combines sewing and embroidery functions into one versatile machine, making it an attractive choice for creative users who enjoy both crafts. It features a 4x4-inch embroidery field and comes with a variety of accessories to help users get started right away. With 135 built-in embroidery designs, 10 lettering fonts, and over 100 sewing stitches, the machine provides plenty of options for customization and decorative projects. The 3.7-inch color touchscreen simplifies design selection and editing while allowing users to preview patterns before stitching. Wireless connectivity is another major advantage, enabling embroidery files to be transferred from a computer or mobile device without the need for constant cable connections. The Artspira mobile app further expands creative possibilities by allowing users to create and send custom embroidery patterns directly to the machine. Suitable for beginners and intermediate users alike, the SE700 offers a balanced mix of convenience, creativity, and functionality, making it a valuable addition to any sewing or embroidery workspace. Number 4. PooLin EO05 Embroidery Machine. The PooLin EO05 embroidery machine is built specifically for users who want a straightforward embroidery experience at home. As an embroidery-only machine, it focuses entirely on helping users develop embroidery skills without the added complexity of sewing features. The 4x9.25-inch embroidery area provides enough space for decorating shirts, hoodies, bags, gifts, and many other personal projects. Its large 7-inch color touchscreen offers clear visuals and simple navigation, making it easier to manage designs and settings. Powered by the InStitch OS 2 operating system, the machine emphasizes intuitive controls and smooth operation, helping beginners feel comfortable from the start. Users can also take advantage of the included embroidery software to create and modify custom designs according to their preferences. Wi-Fi and USB connectivity make transferring files simple and convenient, allowing greater flexibility during project preparation. The EO05 delivers a combination of ease of use, practical features, and creative potential that makes it a solid choice for hobbyists and home embroidery enthusiasts looking for reliable performance.
Number 5. PooLin EOC07 Embroidery Machine. The PooLin EOC07 embroidery machine is designed for users who need larger embroidery capabilities and want to handle more advanced projects. Its support for multiple hoop sizes, including the expansive 7.9-inch by 15-inch embroidery area, allows larger designs to be completed with fewer re-hooping steps, improving efficiency and workflow. This makes it particularly appealing for users creating garments, patches, custom accessories, and products for small businesses. The InStitch OS3 operating system simplifies operation while providing tools that help streamline project management and production tasks. Wireless file transfer through Wi-Fi and support for USB imports make it easy to move embroidery designs from software to the machine. The 7-inch color touchscreen offers clear design previews, stitch monitoring, and simple navigation for greater confidence during operation. Additional features such as creative design tools, workflow enhancements, and included starter supplies help users begin projects quickly. For ambitious hobbyists, side business owners, and custom embroidery creators, the EOC07 provides the workspace, technology, and convenience needed to tackle larger and more detailed embroidery projects. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.